Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to prevent iPhone battery drain when not in use. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Step 1. Optimize background app refresh and battery life. Begin by accessing your iPhone settings. Navigate to General, then Background App Refresh. Toggle Background App Refresh to the off position. This adjustment not only enhances app loading speed, but also conserves your iPhone's battery life. Step 2. Adjust location services for privacy. Open the Settings app and choose Privacy. Then Location Services. Firstly, disable Share My Location. Scroll to the bottom to tap on System Services. And just a common misconception. Most of these settings pertain to data sharing with Apple for research and marketing. Turning them off won't hinder your iPhone's functionality. Turn off all switches except for emergency SOS and Find My iPhone. Disable significant locations under Product Improvement. Turn off all switches to stay informed about location usage. Enable the status bar icon. This icon appears next to your battery when location services are active. Step 3. Disable iPhone Analytics. In Settings, navigate to Privacy and scroll to the bottom. Open Analytics and Improvements. Turn off the switch next to Share iPhone Analytics. This prevents your iPhone from automatically sending data to Apple. Step 4. Remove unused widgets. For iPhones running iOS 14 or newer, press and hold the widget you wish to remove. Choose Remove Widget. Over time, this action conserves a significant amount of battery life by deactivating widgets you don't use. Step 5. Minimize visual effects. Visit Settings, then Accessibility, and select Motion. Enable Reduce Motion. Apart from Parallax wallpaper effects on the home screen, this change will noticeably impact your experience while significantly saving battery life. Step 6. Monitor battery health. Go to the Settings, scroll down and tap on Battery, then Battery Health. This section displays your battery's condition. Over time, battery capacity decreases due to usage. If your phone is a few years old, ensure your battery capacity is still adequate. If it falls below 65 or 50, consider replacing the battery based on the reminders you receive. Step 7. Check for iOS updates. If your iPhone is running an older iOS version, it's advisable to update it. Access Settings, tap General, and choose Software Update. If a new iOS system is available, consider updating your device for improved features and performance. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.